Before we start the workout, I just wanted to let you know something. It is November and there is Black Friday coming. There is a link down here below. If you want to be notified, just write down your email and we'll let you know when Black Friday deal is available. Don't tell anyone. And very welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. So today we're going to work on our core. I want you to start working on our core to feel nicely grounded and in control. So let's find a place in our home and let's start working out that core and let's tighten it up and feel super strong. Let's do it. Here we go, let's work on the core today, but I really want you to concentrate on your breathing because sometimes we do any exercise and we forget to breathe, and then we forget to breathe, everything becomes tight, and it's one of those situations where we also find ourselves breathing very fast and very anxious. So I want you to find this time to not only concentrate on working on our core and our abdominals, but also to find the breathing and the relaxations in between. So let's try to find this. From now, I just want to start sitting down, find a comfortable position. And we are going to place our hands onto our belly and we're just going to take a few nice breaths, already feeling the spine nice and elongating. And we are going to breathe and filling our belly like a balloon. So releasing the belly when we breathe in and breathing out and controlling it all the way in. Very good. And again, breathe in. And breathe out, coming back in. Very good, nice and tall. Find that you're growing every time that you breathe. Breathe in. And breathe out. Everything wrapping around. And again, breathe in. And breathe out. Very good. From here, we're gonna add a little spine curl and curve. So from here, breathing in. And when we breathe out, we release everything and we engage it even more. Breathing in, belly out, and engaging, coming back into nice curve. Very good. Breathe in, and breathing out, engaging the core. Very good. Breathe in, stay where you are. Engage the core, stay nice and tall. Very good, beautiful. From here, we're gonna go into our fours. No, we're not gonna go into our fours. We're gonna go elbows down. We are going to start with a nice gentle plank. So hands under, elbows under your shoulders. And we are gonna go out into a plank. Staying there, elongating, engaging the core like we just did. From there, the only thing I want you to do is tap your knees on the floor. So release one leg and up, release the other and up, and again release and up, and again release and up, like you're going for a walk. Very good. Up and down and up, other way, up, down and up. Gorgeous. Come back in. From here, release all the way up. Coming back down and again out into a plank. Find a nice position. Breathe, engage the core. Come on, squeezing, not the butt up, but in a plank. Very good. Knees going down. Knee and up, and knee and up, and knee up, knee up. And again, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Very good. Come back up and lift, breathe, and down. Very good. This time we're going to go on our fours. Beautiful. From here, all hands, we've got two, thank goodness, all hands on the floor. From your all fours, we're just going to do something very gentle. I don't want you to feel too much pressure today. I want you to just re-engage really everything that is happening around your core area. So from here, we're gonna go knee in, knee to nose.
And then we're gonna press the leg out and we're gonna give a good stretch. And again, knee in. And push it out. And again, knee in. And push it out. Engage the core every time the knee comes towards your nose. And push it out. One last one, knee in. And coming back down, very good. From there, other side, knee in. Push the leg out, gorgeous. And knee in. And out, good. Knee in. And out. One last one, knee in. And out, very good. Take a moment, release your shoulders. Beautiful. From there, come onto the side. I love my little mermaid. From here, 2 legs are out. From here, what we're gonna go into is little curve. Again, don't sink in the back. Yeah, knee parallel to the floor, leg parallel to the floor. So we engage everything that happens on our obliques as well. Very good. Knee comes in, and then you're gonna tap the knee, coming back up, back to parallel. Oh, hold it there, hover. Tap the knee, up, back to parallel. Good. Engage the core. I want you to initiate that movement from the core out, parallel, and again, tap, out, parallel. Very good. Bring it back down. Other way. Yeah. So even here, yes, we're working the legs, but really concentrate on the movement. Where is it coming? From the core. Very good. Again, completely parallel. Knee parallel to the floor. Beautiful. And again, engage the core. Tap, open, back to parallel. Hold it there, hover. Very good. Down, open, back to parallel. Breathe. Tap, open, parallel. Haha. Tap, open, parallel. It's good for a twist of your spine as well. Very good. Again, other way. Breathe. Hovering. It's pretty much the same exercise that we do when we are standing. So in order for you to understand that, if you haven't done those, I highly recommend to go and check them out. So from here, again, what I want you to do is to have this time your knee coming towards your nose, yeah? And again, we're gonna pulse it up. We're gonna go pulse, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pulse, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. And from there, tap, open, back to parallel. 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 Very good. Back down, other way. Thinking about our pulses. Yes. Ready? Knee comes up. Yeah, you're not sinking down here. You're nicely elongated, just like you're standing. Yeah, this is a wall. Think that this is a wall. It's not the floor, it's a wall. Ready to pulse? Pulse it up. Go pulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. A few more. Keep breathing. And ready to tap. Tap, open, back to parallel. 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 Hover, hover, hover. Core, thighs, everything, but breathe and come back down. Beautiful. From here, just to finish off, come back onto your fours. Yes, we're gonna go into a nice cat-cow. So breathe in, And breathe out. And again, breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out, release. Breathe in. And breathe out. Very good. Back to center. And again, from this time, we're just going to concentrate on the curve. So we're going to go up into a curve. Breathe. Concentrate. Belly button to spine. And from there, on the arch of your feet, you hover your knees. Come on, hover your knees. Hover your knees. Breathe. 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 Come back down and release the other way. Gorgeous. And again, up, up. Knee up. Breathe. And release down and release. Very good. And up. Hover your knees. You should be able to see in between your legs right now. Hi. Yes. And come back down. Release. And back again. Up, up, hover. 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 Think about butterflies. Think about butterflies. Breathe. Push. Push away from the floor. Push more. Push more. From the core. From the curve. From your belly button. And release. And release everything out. Beautiful. Come back to center. Shake it all out. Keep on breathing. Keep on sitting tall. One last. Sit tall. Breathe in. Breathe out and open up your chest. Open up those shoulders. And beautifully done.